Hi there, you're welcome to the Survey Tribe YouTube channel, where we simplify research for beginners. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to perform data analysis on SPSS. SPSS is the acronym for Statistical Package for Social Sciences. And for the sake of today's video, I'm going to be using the latest version of SPSS, which is SPSS version 28. Although you can use this same method for previous or earlier versions of SPSS, it's not restricted to just SPSS 28. It's just a case of preference. I prefer the latest version, that's why I'm using it. So let's get to work. Now, it's important to note that when you are performing data analysis on SPSS, there are two major views you need to have or you need to know about, which are the data view and the variable view. I repeat, the data view and the variable view. Now, the data view is a spreadsheet of the responses given by your respondent after you would have administered your questionnaire. While the variable view is a place or is the spreadsheet where you impute information that are on your questionnaire. In other words, it is the location where you transport your questionnaire into on the SPSS program or software. So let's show you or demonstrate a practical example. Now, you would have had your questionnaire. Now, this is a questionnaire I've developed or have designed. And what I'm going to do is to transport this information. Now, you do not need the introductory paragraph. What you need are your demographic information and your Likert scale information. That is to say, the skills you are measuring in your work or in your study. Now, in this case, I am studying an examination of the effect of leadership styles on organizational citizenship behavior in Abuja, SMEs, Nigeria. So, since I want to do this, my questionnaire has been designed into 3 sections, or 3 sections. Section A being the demographic section, Section B being the leadership style section, and Section C being the organizational citizenship behavior. So you can see here that I have 2 variables, the independent variable being leadership styles, the organizational citizenship behavior being the dependent variable. You understand? And here you can see that the independent variable still had some sub-independent variables. In other words, it had more than one, the study had more than one independent variable, such as democratic leadership style, transformational leadership style, transactional, and laissez-faire, which are under one umbrella independent variable. Now, let's get into business. You go to your SPSS, the variable view. Now, you come to name. You go to your questionnaire, because whenever you are starting your data analysis on SPSS, you start with the variable view, because you have to tell the software what you want it to do. So the way to do that is to go to your variable view. Then you come on gender, which is the first information here. You can just copy it, paste it on that name. Now let's just type it. Gender. Label, you label it as gender. Then you come to measure. Nominal, it is nominal, because in gender there is no is not done by hierarchy. Are you getting it? Then you come to values. 1. Go back to your question now. Male is 1, female 2. Prefer not to say 3. So you label it that way. Male 2, female 3. Prefer not to say. Then you come to 2, you tap on it, or you double click on it. You go to marital status, single, married, separated, divorced. So the name is what? Marital status. You come here, tap on it, marital status. Now, you see, saying variable name contains an illegal character. What's that illegal character? A space. If you put space under name, it's going to tell you an illegal character exists. So what do? You join them together, marital status. Can you see? Then you come to label, you tap on it or double click on it, then you write marital status given a space. In other words, it's only under label you can write that shows you, or where you can put space rather. Under label you write and you can put space, you're allowed to put space. Then you come to the measure. Now marital status 2 is what? Nominal, because it's not progressive. Are you getting it? It's not progressive. Single, married, separated, divorced is not progressive, like it's not an order. Are you getting my point? So you come here, you put value 1, label single, just like the way it was in your questionnaire, and go back to your questionnaire again to see it. So 1 single, 2 married, 3 separated, 4 divorced. You got there. 2 married, 3 separated, 4 divorced. Then you come to the third one, you tap on it, you go to your questionnaire. Age less than 18 years. 1, 18 to 25 years. 2, 26 to 35 years. So that's how you do it. So let's just go. Age, come to label, you put age again. Then you come to the values. 1 is what's less than 18 years. You copy it, add 2, 18 to 25 years. You copy it, add 3, 26 to 35 years. You add it, 4, 36 to 45 years. Add 5, 46 to 55 years. Add 6, 56 years and above. And that's the last one, so you click on OK. Then you come here, measure, you put it as what? Ordinal, because age is progressive. Then you go to the fourth one of your questionnaire, religion, Christianity, Islam. So just like the way we've been doing the others. So let's hurry up. Religion, you can press tab to move it to label. Religion, you click on these 3 dots to get these things open. Are you getting it? 1, label, Christianity. Add 2, Islam. 3, traditional. 4, order. Okay. And you come here. Now, no religion is greater. I get it. So you put nominal. In the social sciences, that's how it's in. So you just put nominal. Then you go to educational qualification. So you come here, educational qualification. Remember, under name we don't put space, but under label you can put space. Educational qualification. Then you come here. Always note, is this 3 horizontal dots I am clicking on to open this dialog box. So value 1, you go to your questionnaire, secondary school certificate is number 1, and you click on add. 2, diploma, can you see we are transporting the information from our questionnaire into the SPSS software or program. Bachelor's degree, add 4, master's degree, add 5, doctorate degree, add 6 is order, you don't need it at the moment. So you come here, you put ordinal because it is progressive. Educational qualification is progressive. It follows an order, a hierarchical order, if you understand. Then you go to number 6. What is number 6th one here? What's the 6th one here? Years of employment with SME. So years of employment. You go here, you write, you tap on it, years of employment. Years of employment with SME. Then you click on that. Value 1. What is 1? Less than 1 year. You copy. You go to label, you paste. Add 2. Click on label. And you come to your questionnaire 1 to 3 years. Now you may say, what am I deleting? You see, whenever I put it, there is always a space here, so I don't like the space. That's why I'm always backspacing it. To add 3, 4 to 6 years. 4, 7 to 10 years. Add 5, more than 10 years. Add. Now here, ordinal, because it's in an order. I get it is hierarchical. Then you go to your questionnaire again, level in the organization. So level in organization. Right. Come to label, you type it, level in the organization. 1. You tap on label. What is 1? Junior staff. You copy it, paste, add 2. Go to your questionnaire, mid-level staff. Add 3. senior staff, add. Okay. Level in the organization, measure rather, ordinal, because level in the organization is in an order. You move from junior to senior. So for now, we don't need the type of industry. In another video, I'm going to show us how to, analyze this kind of questionnaire whereby it is open-ended. Are you getting it? But for now, let's just leave it at this multiple choice questionnaire.